Welcome to Casablanca Travel Services Travel Tips Videos, your partner in travel since 2017. Stop scrolling. Because this man didn't steal luggage, he stole identities. This is based on a real case in Australia. It started when airline staff spotted a suspicious Wi-Fi network in April 2024. And it ended with a prison sentence on November 28, 2025. Picture this. You're at the airport. Your battery is dying, you see free airport Wi-Fi, and you think, perfect. Just 2 minutes, and then a page appears that looks official. Same colors, same style, same connect button. But here's the twist. It's not the real network. It's an evil twin of fake Wi-Fi designed to look legit. The second you type your login, it's captured, your email, your socials, your private accounts, and you won't feel it. No alarm, no warning. You just keep scrolling like nothing happened. So how did they catch him? In the real case, airline employees noticed a suspicious Wi-Fi network during a domestic flight, something that mimicked the legitimate access point. Sir, step aside. On April 19, 2024, investigators searched his hand luggage when he arrived at Perth Airport and seized a portable wireless access device, a laptop, and a phone. Forensics found fraudulent Wi-Fi pages, stolen personal credentials, and thousands of stolen private files. And after police moved in, he tried to delete 1,752 items and even attempted to remotely wipe his phone. The Australian Federal Police linked the fake Wi-Fi activity to airports in Perth, Melbourne, and Adelaide, and also domestic flights. Now the ending. On November 28, 2025, he was sentenced in the Perth District Court to 7 years and 4 months in prison, eligible for parole after 5 years. So here's your travel rule, and it works anywhere in the world. 1. Don't join random free airport Wi-Fi. 2. Verify the exact network name with airport staff or the official airport website. 3. If a Wi-Fi page asks for your email or social, login back out immediately. And 4. Turn off auto join and forget the network when you're done. Stay tuned for more tips, videos, and travel safe.